Today I will show you how to clone your voice.
So first go to Helio AI and click on audio. You will go to Minimax audio.
You will find a lot of amazing voices in the right side. But today I will show you how to clone your own voice and how to use it. So let's go for it. Click on voices and here you can see create your voice clone. So click on it and just upload your audio file or record audio. I will just upload my audio file that already recorded. Now just name your voice. After giving the name, just click on convert. It will take just not more than 30 seconds. Just wait. Okay, as you can see, our voice cloning is done. My speaker is off, so maybe you can't hear the voice, but yeah, I found it very similar to my voice and very authentic, looks realistic. I really loved it. Yeah, that's it guys. So I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next video. Thanks.